this. What's up, guys? Greetings from home country. Hello. Yes, it was broken, but after it was respected here, and then it came here in the London session, and it was nice. And unfortunately, I did not take this on my funding. Oh, wait, did I take this? I took it on my funding challenge as well. I think I'm about to. I think I'm gonna pass this challenge. Yes, I took it. I'm 7K in profit. I completely forgot I took this. I'm currently up 219,000. So yeah, with this trade, I'm gonna pass the funding challenge. 219,000. I need $500 more to pass this challenge. Now the 7K is for the challenge, so it's not like, you know, it's a challenge account. So 19,500. Let me close this manually, or I think it's gonna close me. I set my. Oh yeah. I passed. 220. There you go, guys. Literally passed a funding challenge here on the live session with this trade as well. Also, like, I have this trade running here. That's nice. How much rent is this apartment? Let me see. 100. It's around 10 grand a month. Not including like utilities and all of that stuff. Yes, all of these streams I think are saved inside of my Kick. Bro, I want to close partials here on my MT5. No, I didn't buy it. I was thinking, but like I have to look at if we have any other setups. I was just so focused on this. I don't know if I want to close partials. I'm 20 grand up. Come on, bro. Crazy volatility. Have you taken this trade? Yeah, you can see it running on my screen. Above my face. Wait, right here. The prop firm with actually real money is Funder Pro, the one that's on my stories. It's when you get funded, you actually get funded real money. Yeah. Code Davi for 20%. Today it ends. After today, it's gonna be 10% again. I made my record month from affiliation last month. It was around $1,200. So I'm really proud of that. Am I being emotional right now for like wanting to close partials? Or am I being smart? That's my question. Yeah, am I being emotional? I just missed out on like 2.5 grand. Hey, do you have a VIP? I don't have a VIP group or anything like that. I just have a mentorship, coaching. You can find it. Actually, let me plug this in here so you guys can see it. Oh, I don't have it on my Instagram anymore. I don't even know how to. Here, 1 second. I believe I have it on my YouTube videos. Close the trade. I should know. Ah, shit. I don't know. What's the link? Oh man, feels good to be a gangster, man. Where is it? Where is it? Here you go, I found it. Yeah, here you go. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Come on. that last level here that I have, it's really pushing the price. Come on, baby. What a way to start the month. So first two trades of the month that I took were in massive profit, came back to break even. But if I would have managed those trades, if I would have done my trade management, and if I wasn't busy, if I was at charts at the moment, I would have made some profits. I would definitely made like 2, 3, 4. And now 3 trades. This one could be a potential nice winner to start the week. Hey, big week incoming. I mean, big month incoming. I was already telling the guys inside of the Hidden Edge, we do live trading almost every day, and I said, I feel like the market conditions are getting better. You guys inside of the Hidden Edge, that's in the chat right now, didn't I say that? I mean, I did say that, I believe. Lies. Come on, bro. Let me close. I will close 80% of my position. There we go. Let's go. I will close. There we go. Closed. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so my stops are at break even, and I'm just leaving a small partial of my trade run for like potentially weeks. Let me see what's my bigger target. Yeah, so I'll probably shoot for this level right here. If the rest 20% hits my break-even stops, I'm okay with that. But if it drops all the way down there, then I will tell you how much I would make from this small partial that I'm leave running. TP. Yeah, that's 11 grand. So always leave some running. Remember this, always leave some running. You never know. In a volatile markets, this pays you a lot of money. So I had 76 lots. I closed 65. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I didn't stop using the bias indicator. I didn't. Let me check. What does it say? Oh yeah, it says bearish. So it's right. I'm so excited to show you, to give it to you guys. So for those who don't know, this is a tool and indicator that I have been working with one person, with a developer. That's basically going to help us. It's one of the 4 tools that we're developing, one of the 5 tools that we're developing And this is going to help you identify the bias on the weekly. Also daily 4-hour, 15-minute bias, and also gonna help you with determine your risk. So unfortunately I used a little bit lower risk here. On this trade I should have really risked higher. I risked less than 3%, but it saves you a lot of time. And damn bro, it's dropping like crazy. So yeah, that's one of the tools. And it's not just like, you know, simple tool, it's a very, very cool tool to help you like analyze the trades, pick the right bias, and determine your risk. Also, there's multiple other tools, and there's another big tool that's coming out. It's all gonna come out. Like, I'm creating this for myself. I was like, because I was like, you know, analyzing this market, jumping from different time frames. I was like, why can't we automate this? And also, I'm adding some AI to some stuff. So kind of cool stuff that's coming. They're gonna come to my trading, and also the hidden edge members. So really excited about that. I don't really show it yet because it's not fully finished. I don't want to show unfinished product. But this tool right here that I have on my chart, most of the time it's correct. Like even like the trade that I executed earlier this week on Euro USD, I was like, also the bias was based on this tool. All right, Dennis, take care. So I am not developing a bot for certain reasons. I'm not a strong believer in bots. Reason number one is I believe bots should be running on a very high frequency trading, which needs extremely strong computers and extremely strong internet to properly work. And also in these extremely fundamentally affected markets, bots are basing everything purely on technical analysis. And when you have someone tweet something or something happen because like crazy shit is happening right now in the world, the bot will just blow your account. Where I don't want to take away to analyze the markets from myself and from other people. So I like analyze markets. I like to be in control of my execution and my analysis, and that's why I'm not going to be developing a bot, and because of other factors that I just mentioned. Nice fucking trade. Oh, I haven't even looked at other stuff. I was just so focused on, yeah, US 30 clearly. Gold is dropping. Okay, something new. Something new is happening. Euro GBP is at our supply. Maybe we got a trade here. Maybe we got a trade here. I'm out of touch. EJ Hugs, yeah? No, it's not. I'm not tripping. Oh, I am tripping. My bad. What is this? Yeah, this is the range on USD/JPY that I'm trying to stay away from. EU, I'm in this trade, and GU, I'm not in this trade, but there was a probably even better setup. Let's see. Nah, I think Euro USD was a better setup. Both of them were good. So I don't know. I don't want to sell gold, clearly. But against this momentum, trading against this momentum, I'm not sure if that's something I'm interested in. That's a nice demand here though. Why not though? Why not? I just dropped my risk because of the momentum. I don't need to avoid the trade. But we just took liquidity of these highs right here. It looks like a liquidity has been taken, so. But like me guessing the top right now, come on Davi, you can do better than that. but look at this. Like, the pullback needs to happen eventually. Like, what in the meme coin is that? The pullback needs to happen. I'm not calling it. I don't know when it's the right time, but it's too early right now to say it's a pullback. How you guys been? Have you been trading? Bro, my work has been really good. I work out every day, bro. And I look much better. Like, I am excited to show you guys my gym progress. I'm not gonna do it yet. I feel I'm gonna do it like when I'm like, yeah, this is good, you know? So I'm just gonna wait like maybe one more month. How much risk you use per trade depends on the markets. My risk is never the same. My risk fluctuates depending on different market conditions. So there are certain factors that we look at when we're determining our risk. And your shoulder? Yeah, bro, I've been in the gym. You know what I'm saying? Do you have changed your strategy? No, I haven't. Same strategy, bro, for like, I don't know how many years now. I've made some improvements. I made some shifts, but the core of the strategy is always the same. It's always the same. USD is strong. Let me see. I think we're bouncing. Yeah, we're bouncing from this weekly level. We're bouncing from this weekly level. I want to keep my eye on gold. Bro, tell us your experience when you newly shifted to Dubai. How did that go? So it was very interesting because my first time in Dubai, I went with my friends as a vacation, like just for a vacation. And we spent here a week. And the last day before we were supposed to leave, I told my friends, hey guys, I fucking love this place. I'm gonna stay here for the rest of the month. So they all left and I was by myself. But I always like had some friends around the world, so I always managed to meet up with someone, do something fun. And I don't mind spending time alone either. So that was my first experience in Dubai. And then when I started moving to Dubai because of trading, I had friends that are traders and stuff like that. And that's how I made friends. And the longer you live, the more friends you make and stuff like that. So when I moved to Dubai, most of my friends did also move to Dubai just recently, or they were already living here. So I kind of have a friend group that we all live here, you know? We all have same interests, so it's amazing. Same interests, same mindsets. It's really good. In Dubai, that's what you get. You know? You can place yourself around some shitty people, but I feel like that's any country in the world. It's not just Dubai. Like maybe in Dubai, it would be people that are just like selfish and blah, blah, blah. In other countries, there could be people that don't want anything from life and they also push you down. So every country has their own positives and negatives. Um, so yeah, that's that. That's kind of my transition. Name one Lithuania positive. I think Lithuanian summers are the best. I have traveled so much everywhere in the world, but like because I have my family, because I have my childhood friends there, um, summers there are pretty awesome. Like the nature, you know everything there. I mean, it gets boring quite fast, but like I love to spend 2 months there every year, which is summer. Like this past summer, the weather was really bad, so it wasn't as enjoyable. But especially if the weather is good, if it's warm, you can go wakeboarding and do all of that stuff. Then it's cool. I'm not from the Netherlands. I'm from Lithuania. How many points your stop loss for US 100? I try not. Again, it depends on the market conditions. Like one day, the range for US 100 can be, the daily range can be like in the thousands of points, and then the next day it's in the like in the hundreds of points. So accordingly, your stop loss and your take profit is smaller or bigger, you know. But I would say on the average, I don't try to go over 800 to 1,000 points for Nasdaq or other indexes. Do you speak Arabic? No, I don't. I don't, bro. How many trades you take every month? I take around, I would say 10 to 18 trades. Also, again, depends on the market conditions. I'm in EURUSD. Like I closed around $19,000 in profit here, and what's left running is just my partials. 1 second.
Touch. La pioggia nel pineto di Gabriele D'Annunzio. Piove sulle tamerici salmastre d'arse, piove sulle nostre mani ignude. O Ermione, odi sulle soglie del bosco. Non odo parole che dici umane. Ascolta, piove.
All right, sorry about that, guys. I was
parole che dici umane. Ascolta,
wait. Gold.
ascolta. La pioggia nel pineto di Gabriele D'Annunzio. Taci.
What's your zone? Is it here? Okay, I see it. But that's like a 10-minute zone. I don't know, man. I don't know. Gold is in fibs. Oh yeah, you're right. Let me keep the zone. Let's see what happens. I'm feeling positive about the last trades. Just not sure. I'm looking at 1 minute time frame. I don't like to do that. Oh wow, look at that. What's going on, baby? Let's see what happens here, boys. Why did I draw a 5-minute supply demand? I don't know about this. Probably more like this. Or this here. Oh, you guys cannot see it because of my big face. Half couple zones for ES30 now. Okay, what is happening? What is happening? We got some actions. There are pet dogs in Dubai, yeah. Of course. Of course. Okay, US30. Yeah, I see. Sorry about that. Oh wow, look at that. Yo, would have been a nice day. What's my trading hours? Is London and New York sessions. Lately, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm not gonna lie. For the past 6 months, New York was my favorite. New York has been like my number one. But lately, my biggest wins, my best setups are coming from London session. So more and more starting to look at a London session. You know, I trade London session, not as actively though, but as I'm getting more and more decent setups on London session, I'm definitely giving more attention to London session. If I'm a beginner, how many assets should you trade? I wouldn't focus at one asset. And the reason behind that is you wouldn't get as many setups. Of course, it depends on strategy. It depends on what strategy you're using. But for the most strategies, if you're just using one asset or one pair, you're not gonna get as many setups as you want. So I would probably say 2 or 3 assets you should be focusing on. Make sure they're not correlating, and make sure that I would probably mix in one metal or one, you know, index, which is NASDAQ or US 30. Do you trade prop firms? Yeah, I just recently, with this trade that's running right now, just passed Thunder Pro challenge. Wait, I will show you. You guys can see it clearly. Boom, boom. Wait. I don't think you guys will be able to see it. It's 200. 200. Oh, this one is 215. Oh, they already changed it. Oh, okay. So I already got the second phase. That's why I was tripping. 200K. Oh, shit. That was quick. All right, Thunder Pro. I didn't get a chance to check my email or anything. Oh, let me open my email. It should say like, congratulations. Hey. There you go. There you go. That was quick. Should I pass it? Pass the second phase right now. How do you think this government shutdown will affect the markets? So, depends on how long it lasts. The longer it lasts, the worse. But if it lasts for a couple days, less than a week, the last time the government did shut down, the S&P rallied 10% to the upside. So for now, we could say positive, and for crypto as well. But if it lasts, then it could be quite negative. All right, gold. Okay, gold is not respecting the zone either. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what happens here. This as well, it's quite tricky. Let me see, 0.25. Yeah, it's a bit below. What's up, bro? I'm one of your clippers. What's up, man? I started a clipping page recently. How long did it take me? Like 2 weeks? Less than 2 weeks? Yeah, gold is... Whew. I mean, it's not a bad sign. I'm not complaining that gold is dropping. I would love to gold to drop. That would indicate a healthy market. If money starts to flow from risk off assets to risk on assets, like we already see like risk on assets rallying together with gold. But if we start to see that shift, maybe crypto will start a rally. I'm not saying it didn't. Like it definitely looks bullish already. Like everything is on steroids, bro. I swear to God. Everything is on steroids. Do you enjoy watching Benjamin Cohen? Nah, I prefer Johnny Sins. No, I'm just kidding. Who is Benjamin Cohen? Am I tripping, bro? Should I know him? Oh, I don't know what that is. Wait, let me turn some lights on in the apartment. This music is not it. Let's play Hidden Edge playlist. Here we go. I lost my 11th funded account yesterday. I have an edge in a strategy, but can't control emotions. Any advice? So there's a lot to uncover here. And one of the things that we need to uncover is if you lost 11 funded accounts, you might not have an edge. Sorry to break it down to you. Second thing, when it comes to emotions, if you build a systematic process that you can follow and execute your trading the same way every single day. I know which time frame is responsible for what things, and every time you sit at the charts, you know exactly what you're looking for, and all you need to do is execute. Emotions are not involved. Yes, if you win more, maybe you're a little bit more happy, and if you lose, you're a little bit sad, but nothing changes. Next day you sit down, you execute the system. But for you to execute this system systematically and with confidence, you need to have an edge. So for you to have confidence and edge, you need to build a trading system, stop trading live, focus on backtesting and building the strategy. And if after 1,000 trades you're profitable, first you master your strategy, second you have confidence in your strategy, then take this strategy and go to live markets and then build more confidence. And then after you do backtesting and forward testing, that's it. You have the confidence because you did the work of backtesting. You have the edge, you know you have the edge. And the next thing you need to do is just execute. Like, I don't care if I win 5 trades in a row. I don't care if I lose 5 trades in a row. And next day I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna do the same thing over and over again. Am I a little bit more happy when I win? Yes. Am I a little bit more sad when I lose? Yes. But nothing absolutely changes. Emotions are not involved in my trading process. US 30s, yes, it's holding well. Yeah, US gold, I'm forgetting about it for now. You like this playlist? Vlog is dropping, vlog is dropping tonight, guys. So make sure you watch that. Make sure you watch the vlog and you watch it to the end. That's gonna help the algorithm, you know? Support a small creator, please. And it's like, for those who like them and prefer them, it's me holding the camera. It's not a videographer. I'm going to be mixing them up. Like some things, if I'm gonna do some like crazier stuff, like going to some events or something like that, I'll get a cameraman. But for my like this next vlog that's coming out is just my day-to-day things, you know, trading. I went to a beach club. It's just like me picking up the camera as I go. Yo, this camera is tripping. So it's going to be like a old style vlog that I had. Yes, so New York liquidity concept strategy is very similar to what I'm trading right now. It's just I added some extra rules, and in a way, why is it? Does it need more light or what? I don't know why the focus is like that. Damn! The light fell. Sorry for technical difficulties. When I'm backtesting, I usually lose a grade in minimum 7 candle, but I live in live, I lose literally the next candle. I don't know. I think, yo, what is happening? I think you need to rethink your strategy if that's what happens. My camera needs some serious recalibration. It just keeps changing colors. That's funny, bro. Opinions on USDJPY? USDJPY is in the range, so I'm not interested in that. It's hard to build bias when the price is moving like this. You know? I'm more interested in the US 30. We're starting to see some like wicks up and down. It looks like if you're looking at this price action here, we have like, doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish candles. It's like, it's candles where now here it's like one after another candles are just wicks, you know? So it's showing the indecisiveness. Again, I'm not saying it's top or bottom, but react, don't predict. And the way I'm reacting to what I'm seeing here is like, have to be aware of that, you know? US 100s? Oh, yeah, I didn't find the demand for my US 100. That was my problem. I couldn't find a demand unless it's like built all the way down here. So, not really. Damn, gold. Okay. Do you align time frames to execution? Yeah, like every time frame for me, it has its own purpose. Last TP for EURUSD. It's here. Come on. Would be 1 to 7. Oh, I missed this, man. I missed this. How many EURUSD sells? Yeah, I passed it. I passed it just now. Yeah, I'm gonna do it after the live for the next time, for next Thursday. The guys told me that they're going to prepare a lot size roulette, and I was so excited about this, but it looks like it went quiet. So my Hidden Edge members, my community, what they did is they created a lot size roulette, and then you spin it, and whatever lot size I get, I have to trade it. So I would have probably done it for US 30, but since there's no such thing. This is my live account. On my funding challenge, I already closed it. What you see on the chart is my live account. My personal. Why don't you go live on YouTube? I don't know. I don't care. I like Kick. I can play music. On YouTube, I wouldn't be able. What do you mean hard to operate? The camera never did this before. Like the focus is tweaking, the colors are tweaking. I don't know. Oh my god. Was this my man. Wait. I think I used this here. Oh wow. Decent rejection. Let me keep an eye on this. Yeah, I'm sorry about the camera. I don't know. I didn't do that before. I'll fix it for the next stream. So inside of the Hidden Edge, I trade, like, schedule is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but lately, most of the times, it's like I'll do a Monday as well, or I'll do a Friday as well, or I'll do like every day of the week. So, but like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it's all the time. Yeah, new vlog is coming out tonight. I hope. Depends on my editor. Ooh, I go down here. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna finish this session here. Regarding this Euro USD trade, like I told you, I'm only running partials. I already closed 80% of my position, 85% of my position at 123. What you see on the screen is what's left from that, and then I'm gonna keep an eye on this. We'll see if we get an entry confirmation. I'm likely going to enter this trade, but I'm going to do it with a lower risk. Couple reasons: weekly bias, and then daily candles. We do that. We have that small range here that's happening, so gotta be aware of that. And other than that, I don't know. I wanna keep looking at gold. I wanna see what happens. I'm not comfortable with buying from this momentum here. And yeah, I mean, beautiful, beautiful. I saw some guys in the Discord. Okay. Hi, Boris. Hi, Boris. Is this your new funding challenge? Gabriela also caught a GU trade. Ivorus again. Okay, Ivorus, I see you, big dog. You're getting a hold of it. You're getting a hold of it. Jess. Ivorus again? Bro, you're killing it. Gemin. Okay, guys. I see you guys. Good job. Good job. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit the follow button. We're already at 1,000 followers. If you see me on the street and you want to take pictures with a kick streamer, famous kick streamer with 1,000 followers, you can always ask. What's up, Rob? So yeah, take care, guys. You want to say what's up to the stream?
Yeah.
That's my best friend, childhood friend, Rob.
What up,
He
guys?
came to visit me from Lithuania. He's gonna stay with me for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna teach him trading. If he makes profits, he said he's gonna buy me. What you gonna buy me with the profits?
I'm gonna buy some shoes.
Shoes.
Yeah.
All right. Deal. It was on camera, guys. So you guys remember that. All right, guys. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.